Taking intentional breaks is where you grow. This line came from Shanji Ribeiro, 7-time world jiu-jitsu champion. He said, Greg, if you work out every day, are your muscles gonna grow? No, because they're continuously breaking down. He said that you need to take intentional breaks to recharge, to rebuild, because that is where you grow. I'm going to encourage everybody that's watching this to take time for themselves, unadulterated, unhindered time to reflect about the past, think about all the good things that's happened to them. Think about where they're at in life. Think about where you'd like to go and write a plan, pen and paper, not on your laptop, pen and paper, of where you're going to go, how you'd like to visualize your life, the people you'd like to be surrounded in. If you want to take action, if you want to live a life by design and not by default, I'm going to a property I've got over in New Orleans. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to be clear-headed, and I'm going to create a plan to get one step better. My name's Greg Carlson. If you need motivation, give me a call. Let's come up with a plan together. Till next time, cheers.